How to design in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. Open your Silhouette Studio. Step 2. Click on your drawing tools. Step 3. Select a rounded rectangle. Step 4. Draw a basic rectangle vertically. Step 5. Go back to drawing tools. Step 6. Select a regular polygon. Step 7. Draw a regular polygon at the head of the rounded rectangle. Step 8. Give both shapes the same width. Step 9. Select both shapes. Step 10. Click on Align. Step 11. Select Align Center. Step 12. Again, select both shapes. Step 13. Right-click and select Weld. Step 14. Click on Zoom in to zoom at edit points to fix bad welds. Step 15. Select the edit points individually and hit the delete button each time. Step 16. Select a polygon. Step 17. Draw a small circle while pressing and holding the Shift key. Step 18. Place the little circle at the top of your design. Step 19. Align the circle in the center. Step 20. Weld the designs and circle together. Step 21. Select the design and click on Duplicate. Step 22. Select the duplicate design and click on Offset. Step 23. Open the internal offset. Step 24. Set the distance and apply. Step 25. Select both pieces and right-click. Step 26. Click on Make Compound Path. Step 27. Change the color of the design. Step 28. Select both designs and click on Center. Step 29. Select a polygon to add a hole to your tassel. Step 30. Press the Shift key and draw a small circle. Step 31. Give the circle a color. Step 32. Place the circle over the design and size it down. Step 33. Select the circle and the base design, then click on Align Center. Step 34. Right-click and select the Make Compound Path option. Step 35. If the front layer is sent to the back, then bring it forward by sending the back layer to the back. Step 36. Select the designs, right-click and select Group. Step 37. Duplicate a copy and keep it on the side. Step 38. Click on the design, right-click and select Ungroup. Step 39. Move the back layer away from the front layer. Step 40. Select Text. Step 41. Enter a text. Step 42. Open the Text Style panel. Step 43. Select a font of your choice. Step 44. Select the front layer and open the Transform panel. Step 45. Open the Rotate options and flip the design to a 90-degree angle. Step 46. Position the text inside the upper layer. Step 47. Select both designs, right-click and select Weld. Step 48. Flip the design to a 0-degree angle. Step 49. Select both layers and click on the center. Step 50. Right-click and select Group. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.